What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're taking a look at Polkadot and its recent price action, and make sure to watch the video till the end for a price prediction for the short and the long term as well. First things first, please smash the likes, subscribe and hit the bell icon. YouTube is not pushing crypto content out currently and our subscribers aren't getting notifications, so make sure to join our free Telegram to stay up to date with all of our videos as they are posted, links in the description. It really helps if you hit the like. We're posting 4 videos per day, so come back every day for daily updates and analysis. And make sure to comment down below for your chance to win a hardware wallet in our new monthly giveaway. We'd also like to thank you all so much for your support. We've just hit 10k subscribers, so make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, we've had many reports that our subscribers aren't seeing our content, and this is most likely because you haven't hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon with all notifications turned on. Give it a tap now, turn on all notifications, and you'll most likely see most of our videos being posted. Also, if you want to support the channel, make sure to tap that like, it really helps us out. We're posting 4 videos per day, so make sure to check back every single day for daily updates. So we're just taking a look at Polkadot here, and I mean, wow, you can see how much this has been smashed down recently. Down almost 80% for a top crypto of, you'd say a top 10 altcoin, a blue chipper. That is a massive discount, and congratulations to anyone who bought that dip, for example. You can see quite clearly here that we have actually hit into this. If I can find my box tool. My box tool's this, oh, it's because it's hidden behind this thing. You can see we actually came down into this order block here where we hit the previous swing high, and we have found a really nice support here. Came all the way down to, $10 for Polkadot, which is absolutely insane. We were at $50 just a few months ago. We came down to $10. That's absolutely incredible. And you can see we got this massive bounce, didn't we? Actually 100% bounce in the basically, as many days. What is this? Quite literally 100% bounce all the way up from $10 to around $20 in essentially, what is this, a few weeks, 10 days, 11 days? So quite clear that, Polkadot was getting really ridiculously oversold on our daily time frame here. And sooner or later, as we said, the market is like an elastic band. And if you do keep going down and down and down, eventually there is going to, some bullish price action is going to come into the market and essentially, create some equilibrium. And we're going to snap back to some, reasonably fair value prices, because you can't just keep going down and down and down forever, especially in the middle of a bull market, which we're still in, by the way. A lot of people saying that we're in a bear market right now, but that's just absolute nonsense, isn't it? When you look at the actual charts and what they're telling you technically, you can see quite clearly that, Bitcoin doesn't bounce all the way up to the top of the range high and break out of all those key resistances in a bear market, does it? It will just keep rolling over and rolling over. And, a lot of people are calling for that dead cat bounce, but we just don't see it when you look at the actual data, and the on-chain metrics suggest that, we're just getting started really, and we're about to see that big final leg up for the bull run. So taking a look at Polkadot here, you can see, just like with every single crypto out there, we flipped bearish on our EMAs, massive crash to the bottom of this wedge, formed the wedge, and we've been heading down and down and down and down and down. And Polkadot has actually perfectly respected this wedge, this descending wedge, more than most cryptos. This is actually a bullish reversal pattern, by the way, because you are making slightly higher lows each time. So you're kind of expecting something like this to happen, where you get that kind of a cup-shaped bottom, where you're just kind of doing this, where basically your price action is coming down and down and down and down, but eventually you will potentially double bottom, something like this, and then reverse the trend to the upside. So you can see, Polkadot is showing a lot of signs of strength right now, and things are looking really good, aren't they? You can see here that, we've got this bearish flip of our EMAs. We've come all the way down. We've been stuck under our EMAs ever since here, stuck under the 20 here, stuck under resistance, come down again, test support, come up, try and break the resistance, stuck under the 20, stuck under resistance, come down again. We need to actually change this line, because this line is no longer accurate. We've come down again, quite clearly here, as you can see, stuck under resistance. And, this time we have actually got that really nice bounce to the upside, haven't we? Where we've essentially, come all the way up, broke through all these levels of resistance, broke through this resistance, back tested this previous support, broke through the 20, back tested it, and now we've come all the way up through the 55, and now we're back testing it. So things looking really good for a reversal here for Polkadot, and it's obviously been pumping massively. And you can see, we're showing a lot of strength, aren't we? You can see quite clearly by the charts here that, we're back testing this 55 as support, and we're starting to drag the 20 over our shoulder. And if we do get that bullish flip of our EMAs over the next few days, which we have seen for Bitcoin, by the way, if we take a quick look at Bitcoin, you can see we are just teetering on the edge here of that bullish flip of our EMAs. Obviously, we're having that pullback after we've hit that resistance level up here, which make total sense because that's kind of the top of the range here. You can see we've kind of hit the top of our range, and now we're essentially coming back inside the range, hopefully going to back test these EMAs and these levels before potentially breaking out this range to the upside, because we are showing a lot of strength in the market right now, aren't we? But you can see if we just get Polkadot back up, for some reason it doesn't show up the first time. You have to click this and then go through and .USD, and then it comes up here. But you can see basically we're showing a lot of signs of strength, aren't we? If we take a quick look at our weekly time frame here, obviously we don't have our 55 EMA because we haven't got enough actual price history to see that, but we'd probably be looking at our 20 looking something like this, and then the 55 probably looking at something quite similar. It's probably come up like this, and then we're basically doing something like this, aren't we, where we've broken down below the 55, but now we're coming back up and retesting it as resistance. And with another Bitcoin pump, we'd probably be looking at breaking out of this and continuation. So obviously we're not too concerned about the weekly time frame on Polkadot right now, because you can see on our lower time frames that we're showing a lot of strength right now, breaking out of lots of resistances, heading to the upside. So obviously with Bitcoin having a pullback, which we think is very healthy, we probably would be looking at Polkadot potentially coming back in, retesting some of these previous levels as a support before hopefully we can get some more continuation to the upside. And as we said, it does look as though we are forming potentially this kind of janky W double bottom pattern like this, where essentially we come down, we made our lower low here, but we're essentially double bottoming out now, and you can see we are potentially hopefully we can come back test and reverse the trend and do something like this. So in the next few days, do anticipate that we could be seeing Polkadot pull back, maybe back to the this 15, 16, 17 cent level, $17 levels. But then we are looking to target these highs where we've basically been stuck under for a while. We'd probably say this $26 level would be one of our next price targets realistically, after if we can break through this resistance that we found here around this $20 level, and essentially back test, come up, back test, and start working our way up these resistances like this. So that would be our short-term price prediction. And as we said, we think Polkadot's a blue chipper, isn't it? It's a quality project. It's probably going to be looking at least $150, $200 by the end of the bull run, from what we can tell. I mean, if we just threw a fib on this retracement here, just for argument's sake, just to see what the next leg up could potentially look like. If we just pull this from here to here like this, so change this to our Fibonacci levels, you can see here, if we look at our fib levels here for our final leg up of the bull market, if this is actually the bottom here, which we think it probably could be, considering all the signs that we're seeing that we're breaking out very nicely, we pulled it from the top of this previous all-time high we've made here, and you can see we're looking at some very, very nice levels, aren't we? You can see quite clearly we do think that this 141 or this 141, the 161 levels, very, very achievable, and this would take us up to between $100 and $150 realistically for Polkadot. But if we do get that really, really nice pump for Polkadot, we could be looking at even higher, maybe getting up to some these higher extensions potentially, if we do start to see Polkadot's ecosystem getting a lot of adoption, which we could see, because that mainnet is really, really soon going to be released, and there's going to be a lot of projects porting over onto it, and the sky's kind of the limit, isn't it? Also with the EIP 1559 coming very shortly, we could see a lot of complementary competition going through the remainder of the summer, going into the fall. And a lot of projects like Polygon, for example, Ethereum, Cardano, Polkadot could all see quite a nice pump from all these smart contract wars that's going on. And we could be targeting potentially up into this 227 extension area, where we could be looking at some very nice price action for Polkadot. Maybe that would be around a 10x from the current price, would take us up into this level, and we do think that's very possible, considering the market cap's still quite low, and this is a quality project. So that's our update today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please let us know down in the comments section below. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can keep up to date with all of our videos. Remember to comment down below and be subscribed to enter into our brand new monthly giveaway for a hardware wallet. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're offering coin calls, one-to-one access to us personally, insight into our personal portfolio, daily research of crypto assets with massive potential, and access to our brand new 100x portfolio. With so many benefits, you might as well check it out below. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull by signing up and then depositing $100 using our link in the description below. You can quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks and then withdraw the money, so there's no reason not to do that, and they could be valued all the way up to $1,600 each, but don't forget to actually deposit as well after signing up, otherwise you won't receive the second stock. Scammers get worse every day, so make sure to protect yourself and your crypto online with PureVPN. Sign up below for some big discounts. You can get access to block content and protect yourself from phishing scams with super low monthly payments and high quality speeds. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.